Hey everybody, welcome back to, Onesixtyfourland with another Amiami unboxing. This is the June pre-order for Tomica Limited Vintage. It's packed with some new castings, some old favorites, and all sorts of good stuff. I'm pretty sure I didn't buy all of the ones that were listed, but I did get a majority of them, especially considering how big this box is. So without further ado, let's continue opening this. And let's see what we got. Now, Amiami does a fantastic job of packing their box to make sure it makes, little sneak peek there, makes the journey without being harmed, unscathed, if you will. So let's just go right into it. So this is not a 10-minute video. So first up, we got LV202A. So this is a new variation of the Skyline sedan casting. This is the 2000 GT from 1970. It's in a pale yellow with a black vinyl top. Very cool. And that is going to be paired with another one. So this is the first of two new castings, I think, or one casting, two variations. LVN 284A. It's the, what is this? The Toyota Corolla 11 two-door GT Apex. So this is the notchback, right? It's got the trunk as opposed to the hatchback. That's really the AE86, right? The Hachiroku. So this is a cool one here. That is the one I was looking forward to. That's the sportier version. It's got those nice alloy wheels. And this one, actually this one has alloys as well. So this is 1984. They're both the same years. Corolla 11 two-door lime. Okay. Finished off in red. It's got the black bumpers. Doesn't have the fender trim. You can see the difference between the two there. And it looks like a more even, I think the grills are different too. The grills look different. So very cool. Wheels are different there. So it's nice to have those Toyotas there. I'm looking forward to that. All right, next up we have the complement to this guy down here is the LV176C. Obviously not a complement because it's a different trim altogether. And this is the third iteration of the Skyline 2000 GTR. This is the sedan too. So it's got these cool steel wheels and fender mirrors, right? Those are sporty fender mirrors compared to the little fancy ones there. And just a nice looking car. It's got the cut through the surf line there where this one's a little lower down here. So good addition there. All right, let's see what else we got. Oh, I bought two of the white ones. Okay. I put them off camera, which means I probably got two of the red ones too. Yep, okay. I guess I liked that one so much I doubled up. So maybe there's not a lot in here. Oh, there it is. Okay. So next up we have this, you think by now I would learn exactly what this is. I'm not exactly sure. It's one of the police shows. So all the cars are cool. They have, oh, this one looks green actually. That's very neat. Maybe not. Maybe that's just the coloring there. So it is a Nissan, it's a Cedric or it's a Laurel. It's got the light on top. 200E GL. I'm not sure which one it is. But again, you can see right there. Very cool. It's the little tweaks they do, right? This has racier alloy wheels. It looks like the wheels are a little different than these in here on the picture, but it's neat though, right? It's those little variations that get you to just buy the newer ones. All right, last up is I bought a box truck, LVN 285A. So this is the Isuzu Elf, right? Panel van. This actually must be the first version maybe of the Elf. I'll have to look up because it's the A. It's not a refrigerator truck, just a panel van. You got to put the mirrors on yourself, right? Which is fine. But I like the coloring about it. I like the little design on the side. I'm not sure exactly what it's for, but I'll look that up. And the air deflector on the top here is pretty neat. So this will complement. I have the 7-Eleven van or the 7-Eleven box truck. That's really the only one I wanted because 7-Eleven's a great store, and I thought it was much cooler than the Family Mart one. But anyway, all right. So that wraps the June pre-order unboxing for Amiami. Check them out. They do a great job. Their prices are fair, and they keep up with their stock. And then once you order it, it comes pretty quickly. All right. Oh, I guess I'll just put this over here. Anyway, thanks for viewing. We'll catch you on the next one. Ciao.